In today's video, I'm going to teach you ChatGPT prompts for marketing. Copy and paste ChatGPT marketing prompts. You'll get ready-to-use lines you can paste directly into ChatGPT to plan campaigns, fill your content calendar, and drive sales. Wherever you see brackets like by industry or product/service, replace them with your details. Add context such as target audience, location, tone, and any constraints like budget or timeline to refine the results. Start with strategy. Paste, create a 30-day marketing strategy for a small business in the industry niche. Then try, generate a marketing plan to increase brand awareness for product/service. For tight budgets, use, suggest low-cost marketing ideas for a startup with a limited budget. To grow your customer base, ask, build a customer acquisition strategy for business type. And to map the journey, run. Create a marketing funnel for attracting and converting leads. For social media, you can paste, write 30 social media post ideas for an industry business. Follow with, create engaging captions for Instagram posts about topic. To tap into short-form trends, try, generate trending TikTok content ideas for brand/product. For professional audiences, use, write a week of LinkedIn posts for a professional brand. Finally, drive interaction with, suggest social media content that increases engagement and shares. Next, build your content engine. Paste, generate blog post ideas related to ton industry to you. When you have a focus keyword, use, write a blog outline optimized for SEO about keyword. Keep publishing consistent with, create a content calendar for the next 30 days. For sustainable traffic, ask, suggest evergreen content ideas for long-term traffic. And to hook readers, try, write an attention-grabbing headline for a marketing article. In email, set up journeys like, write a welcome email sequence for new customers. Launch with, create a promotional email for a product launch. Revive your list using, generate a re-engagement email for inactive subscribers. Improve opens with, write a high-converting email subject line for campaign. Recover revenue by pasting. Create an abandoned cart email to recover lost sales. When it's time to advertise, use, write Facebook ad copy for a product/service. Broaden reach with, generate Google Ads headlines for the business type. Boost conversions via, create persuasive product descriptions that increase sales. Sharpen your button text with, write a call to action that improves conversion rates. And hit the right people using, generate ad copy targeting, specific audience. For best results, review outputs for accuracy, brand voice, and compliance, and ask ChatGPT to iterate, expand, or format into tables or calendars as needed. Measure performance, feed real insights back into the prompts, and keep refining. Pause the video, copy these lines, personalize the brackets, and let ChatGPT accelerate your marketing today.